Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be playing with some gel polishes from Blue Sky to create a gel mani. We're going to be trying out the base coat and the top coat, and then we're going to be playing with two colors. The first color here is called Pinch of Peach, and I really like this color. I love peaches and corals, so I wanted to try this one right away. I really like the bottles. It does have that little color indicator on the cap. And then check out that beautiful color, and then it has a really pretty sparkle to this gel polish as well. It has a silvery glitter in there, which really makes that peach in this polish really pop. And then we're going to pair it with a teal color, and this one's called Teal Blue Green. And this is a really pretty, vibrant teal blue green. The name is definitely right. And then it also has a beautiful glitter in here as well. And these gel polishes, you're going to see them in action here, are filled with sparkly goodness, and they are simply beautiful. So we are going to be making a press-on set today so you can see these gel polishes in full action. And then we're going to start out right away by using the gel base. Now this gel base consistency is thinner, and I really like that about this gel base. And a little bit goes a long way. So I'm going to start that product out in the middle of the nail first, and then I'm going to go ahead and then spread it out carefully to cover the whole entire nail to prevent any flooding from the underneath side of that nail. And same would apply if you are applying on your natural nail or any enhancements. You just want to make sure that you are starting in the middle of the nail and then gently working up to avoid that cuticle and skin area. That will help prevent any gel allergies as well. You do not want to get any gel products on your skin. If you do, just wipe it up right away with a lint-free wipe, or you can use an orange wood stick. So I really liked how this gel base coat applied. Again, a little bit went a long way. I do like the thinner consistencies, especially when I'm making press-ons, because it helps reduce bulk. And I really like the brush of this gel base as well. There is something about the clear brushes in gel polishes that I really like. I feel like they perform way better than the darker brushes. I mean, it could just be a personal preference, but I can definitely tell a difference in application when it is a clear brush versus a darker colored brush. Let me know what your thoughts are about the brush. Do you feel like there's a difference when it's a clear brush versus a darker colored brush? Let me know in the comments below. So enough chit chat, let's just dive into these beautiful gel polishes and enjoy the colors and the sparkle, and then I'll pop back in just a few moments. All right, we're just wrapping up the mani here, and how pretty is this mani? I really like this mani. Yet it's simple, but it has the perfect colors and the right amount of sparkle, and these polishes performed really awesome. You could see that you could totally build these polishes up from one coat to like a sheer jelly kind of coverage to 2 coats to 3 coats. It is super buildable, and each coat, no matter if you do 1 or 2 or 3, are really pretty. So I will go ahead and link everything that we use in the description box below, including everything you need to create your own press-on sets as well. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next upload.